everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieve the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys like what you see, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you guys never ever miss out on a video. So jumping straight into it, the palette that I used today was That's My Jam palette from Too Faced. I like how small and compact this palette is. It's actually really small and you can just take it to travel or whatever. This is not a sponsored video, I just really like this palette. And I also like the color selections in it as well. I feel like you can go super neutral or bright, which I also like. And the first shade that I went in with is this really light muted baby pink shade, and I just picked that up with a fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions as my transition shade. Next, I went into this deep brown shade with a defined angled brush, and you guys already know the drill. I just put that shade in my crease, mapping out where I want to add definition. It does look harsh, but don't worry, we will be blending it out. And this is just a technique that I like to use. I get dragged for it a lot on my channel, but it's just what works for me. And then I go back into that first transition shade and I just blend that line out. And then going into the ColourPop Malibu Barbie palette, I grabbed this really beautiful pink shade and I just packed that all over my lid, and I did kind of clean up the lid with some concealer prior to applying this shade. And I decided that I wanted to go in with some sparkle, so I grabbed the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blazing Sunset Glitter, and I grabbed the NYX Glitter Primer. And what I do is I first apply the glitter primer to my eyelid, and then I let it get tacky for about 5 seconds, and then I go straight over it with the glitter, and I just kind of work in sections. That's how I get zero fallout. A lot of you guys always ask me how to prevent fallout when using glitters, and just don't pick up as much glitter, work in sections, and that's the best advice I have for that. And then moving on to my liquid liner, I went in with the Maven Beauty Black Waterproof Liquid Liner, and I was very hesitant to try this just because I really only like the Urban Decay Precision Liquid Liner, but I was pleasantly surprised by this liquid liner. It does stay in place and it doesn't run how a lot of liquid liners do. And the lashes that I used are unfortunately discontinued. They're from my old lash brand. A lot of you guys keep asking where my lashes are from, and I'm just going to keep using up the lashes that I still have in my collection just because I'm not just going to throw them out. And then I used that transition shade on my lower lash line, and then I went in with some mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you guys never ever miss out on a video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!